Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we'll discuss proxies for gambling websites, their significance, proper utilization, and how they contribute to a safer and more enjoyable online gambling experience. When someone embarks on their journey with online gambling, questions about expanding their betting opportunities and accessing unavailable gambling websites in their region often arise. This is where proxy servers step in as valuable tools. Let's explore their relevance in the context of online gambling interactions. Bypassing blocks. In certain areas, governmental or internet service providers might impose restrictions on access to gambling websites. Additionally, specific websites may only be reachable from approved countries or regions. Using a proxy enables users to bypass these barriers, granting access to restricted gambling websites. Anonymity. Using a proxy can maintain your anonymity while engaging with gambling websites. Your genuine IP address and location stay concealed, as the website server perceives solely the proxy address. This proves beneficial if you seek to safeguard personal information or avoid surveillance. Multiple account usage. Using more than one account from a single IP address frequently triggers the blocking of all accounts. Here, proxies come into play by circumventing this restriction, allowing for account creation as per the number of active proxies available. Countless bets per event. Proficient bettors use specialized software like scanners to wager on the same event multiple times, boosting potential winnings. Given the context from the previous point, proxies are crucial for enabling the use of multiple accounts. Performance enhancement. Occasionally, using a proxy can enhance the speed and efficacy of your interactions with the gambling website. For example, if you experience sluggish internet connectivity or routing issues, selecting a proxy situated closer to the website servers can expedite data transmission. With these considerations in mind, a fundamental question arises. What factors warrant attention before selecting a proxy? Fortunately, I have the answer. Let's proceed. Before integrating a proxy, the following factors necessitate careful examination. Reliability and proxy quality. Prioritize selecting a reputable and trusted proxy provider. Opting for unreliable proxies might result in connection instability, diminished transfer speeds, data leaks, and eventually blocking. It's essential to assess the proxy provider's reputation and reviews before entering into a partnership. Proxy type. Proxy servers come in distinct varieties, such as data center, mobile, or residential ISPs. Each type boasts unique attributes and functionalities. Certain gambling websites might mandate the use of a specific proxy type. Verify the website's requirements and ensure your chosen proxy provider offers the suitable type. Geographic location of the proxy. If you're using a proxy to bypass geographic restrictions, ensure that the selected proxy is situated in a country or region where access to the gambling website is unrestricted. Failing to do so could result in difficulties accessing the service. Security. Prioritize security when employing a proxy. Confirm that the chosen provider offers a secure connection with data encryption. This step helps prevent third parties from intercepting and utilizing your personal data. Speed and performance. Poorly configured or overloaded proxies may impede your internet connection speed and performance. Before using a proxy with a gambling website, evaluate the proxy server's speed and stability to avoid diminishing your efficiency or causing betting delays. Betting organizations employ their security services to identify violators, employing special software and JavaScripts. These tools aim to detect the user's genuine IP. Even measures like clearing cookies, switching browsers, and creating a virtual operating system don't resolve this issue. Certain betting organizations feature robust security systems. For instance, data center proxies won't let you access gambling websites like Bet365 or 1xBet. In such cases, I recommend opting for mobile proxies or residential ISPs. These proxies boast higher anonymity levels and trust indicators. Such proxies prevent the system from automatically identifying your true identity by revealing the actual provider. Low-quality proxies or weak anonymity can lead to unfavorable consequences that impact your account. Using a low-quality proxy could expose a trace of your genuine IP to the betting company's security system. Consequently, accounts associated with your IP might be frozen or blocked. To avoid this, choose a high trust score proxy and prioritize methods to enhance anonymity. To enhance your anonymity, I recommend watching our earlier video where we discussed anonymity parameters and effective methods to boost them. I'll leave a link in the description. Additionally, if you're using third-party software or a betting bot, thoroughly study it and check reviews. Blocking can stem not just from proxy issues, but also from a low-quality bot that inundates the system with numerous requests, attracting undue attention and endangering your accounts. Upon completing the preparation steps outlined today, you can proceed with confidence, minimizing concerns about blocking. To simplify your search, I recommend an advanced proxy provider, Proxy-Seller. This choice guarantees 100% online anonymity and security. It offers an extensive range of locations and subnets, alongside performance guarantees for your chosen use cases. Round-the-clock support is also provided. Check the description for a 10% discount coupon code and the link. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.